Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a little house tour. And yeah, of my little house. Next, we're going to the front door, the entrance, if you were to come in. So let's say we were coming in, and let's show. This is my kitchen, my little sink area, and my cupboards, and this cute little thing here. Of course, my daughter, and my purse. Here's like my little supplement area, gallon, my little mini fridge, snacks, and if you go this way, it's the bathroom. Bathroom. It has a little mirror area. Check out my outfit. I like my outfit. And my sink area. Toilet, you know. I did not sleep on the toilet paper. I have plenty. This cute little plant area. Some storage stuff. More mirrors. Can't have enough mirrors, you know. My bathtub is in here. So yeah, that's my bathroom. Yeah, let's shut the lights. So this is my daughter's room. When you walk in, her little desk area, and then she has her little bed with her little rug, and she has a little vanity right here of her own, and all of her purses hang right there on the door. Her armoire, down here, it's kind of dark, you can't see, but she has like a bookshelf and all her toys and her blanket basket, her little window, and this, her laundry stuff. And when you open this armoire, her pants, her TV area with her Wii, and down here she has like a little things going on. Her JoJo Siwa bows, and her sunglasses, and her remotes. So yeah, obviously her room is JoJo Siwa inspired. She loves JoJo Siwa and just unicorns and pink. And yeah, that is Arya's room. She doesn't normally keep this clean, but I try to have her keep this clean. And then here's our closet that we share. Our shoes, I need to organize her shoes better. I need shoe racks. My clothes, I try to have it all color coordinated. And my heels are up there. Then I have her side color coordinated, and just laundry stuff. I need to organize her closet a little more, but you know, little by little. Those are my superpower, of course. And now, where the magic happens. So, technically this was supposed to be the living room, but I said, I don't need a living room. Let's just make it my room, and my daughter can have her own room. So yeah, I have both beautiful windows where natural light comes in, and then my bed, you know, the pop of blue. I have a fireplace with this beautiful mirror and pictures of my daughter everywhere. That is my dining table. Let's close this because this is the kitchen. And of course, safety first. But yeah, this is my dining table. It had to be mini everything. This is a small space. So, yeah. And then I'm watching many anime, and my TV is mounted on the wall. And this is like my little vanity area, but I need to improvise it better. And yeah,